Hey guys, welcome to the Wingman Design. This one has been fully customized, so really excited to show you guys what can happen if you really want to go to ball about customizing for your personal preferences. So come through. It is designed on a 450 square block, so it's still the same in terms of block requirements, 15 wide and 30 deep, but the house itself has been changed. Come through. Large front entry door, standard wide hallways. Now we'll come through into the master. So straight away you can see the master's been absolutely maximized. So this originally was supposed to be the theater. So we caved the theater and the master and remodified the whole scenario. So here's your master with a little bit of an extended section here, a full customized walk-in robe on this side, plenty of space there. And then coming through into the ensuite. So we redesigned this ensuite, twin basin, freestanding bathtub, plenty of space here. Your toilet over there, and then a large double shower here. And then there's this big empty space here. So the client's actually going to be installing a inbuilt sauna. So we had to set it up, have this wet area spacing. He'll come in and get it all done now that he's coming to pick up his keys. So really excited. Hopefully we can try and come back into this house so we can show you guys how it looks finished, but pretty cool to see. So those two rooms, we've merged them together and remodified according to the client's requirements. So come through, let's do the rest of the house. Raised ceilings, which is what we standard to do, which is over here. You can see the 31 and a really cool feature with this garage. So it was the 4-car and instead we've done the 3-car showroom. So what you can see, this is one of the first homes we've done, glass paneling that you can view into your garage. So rather than the window, full-size glass panels. So come through, let's do the garage and then I can walk you through. Still got your standard 2-car sizes here. Raised ceilings above, so it will suit forward drive access. Plenty of space here because the client has quite an expensive vehicle which he wants to put it on show. So he'll be able to park her in here, have it up for show. The epoxy is going to be done once he moves in. And with the rest of the space, we've still actually left enough room here, so he's got cap plumbing at the far end, so you can do a sink. So there will be quite a bit of bench space here. So this will be the little workshop section, and then the usable third bay. So a lot of people have a 4-car garage, but they only have 2 or 3 cars and they want the space. Divide it and have your 2 sections separate, so that way you don't have all the mess showing into the home as well. So it's a pretty cool idea. Something we can do. This was the showcase for the client. They really wanted this showroom piece and they really wanted something that you can see from inside the home. So you'll be able to see, the biggest thing about this is the fact that you do need to actually keep these windows clean. But pretty cool little feature, definitely gonna be a talking statement when anyone at all is gonna enter this house. So come through into the open area, your living area. So even the kitchen got modified with a scullery. So you've got your standard kitchen here, a little bit bigger. You've got waterfall ends, island bench, your open living and dining section, massive fridge section here. You've got your walk-in pantry, or, building your pantry there, and then a full-blown size scullery as well. So cupboards, doors, and even additional storage space here from the secondary pantry if you want, going into the laundry. So laundry, you've got your built-in linen, which has that broom recess over there. Built-in trough, washing machine and dryer underneath the bench. If you don't want under the bench, you simply cut the bench top to have a top loader. This client has this scenario, which is why we've done it, because a few of you guys have mentioned in our videos, why do we do this? Client's preference, that's all it is. Now, let's go to the back of the section to do the rest of the home. And they've still got the rear fencing that needs to go in, but we'll go to the backyard afterwards. So come through, bed 2, big enough for your queen beds like standard with its built-in robe. It's got your standard mirrored sliding robes. We did a video a while ago where you had to pay a small upgrade. It's now standard with our builders. So just an FYI. Depends on when you're listening to these videos. Next one is bed 3. Same thing with a built-in robe. And then on the opposite side, you've got bed 4 with its own built-in robe as well. So this is what we've done. I think we explained in the previous video, but basically this is the wardrobe from bed 3. and there's a bedroom for bed 4. So we actually maximize the space available for your bedroom by doing it like this, where it's a mirrored option. And then your spare toilet and your spare bathroom as well. So full height tiling the client's done. You can see it's got the tile nib wall as well, so really nice finish. And it's got the inset bath as well, which will fit a full grown adult. So coming through, we'll quickly go to the backyard. We've also changed this here. Standard is just a normal one panel, one sliding door. So this is a dual opening from the middle, so it really gives a little bit more emphasis on the entertainment. Coming through. So basically where these pegs are, which I'll just step it out here. So the back fence line comes to here. So you've got about for about 4 meters. This one we've pushed it out a little bit longer, and it's 15 meters wide. So this is a standard 450 square block. Real big emphasis obviously is the master suite on this plan and the garage modifications that we've done. Those were the key components for this client. So if you've got something that you really want to make sure that you focus on for your home, that's part of your lifestyle, that's what we're here to do, and we'll customize the house to suit.